Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what lovely hairstyles are in there in store for you guys. Are you excited for the same? Let's see. Let's move ahead. So here you have to get the beautiful buns on both the sides. Now here what are we gonna do? You have to take this beautiful lovely hair accessory and then secure your hair through it. Further you need to make the braids like this and then just keep on getting it made in this manner. You need to just interlock it and secure it in this way and then do it in this manner. What do we need to do here? You need to just secure it further, get the hairs out and you need to make it in this manner. Isn't it cool? Further here, what are we gonna do here? You have to just roll your hair in this manner, get a beautiful bun made out of it and then beautifully and finally and precisely you need to do this. Isn't it quite amazing? You have to just secure it and get a beautiful bun made. Isn't it cool? And then you need to tuck them inside. And then just get a beautiful purple looking braid like this and you need to just interlock it and make a beautiful braid in this manner. You need to secure it in this way and then in the end you will end up getting a beautiful and mesmerizing hairstyle. Thank you.